In today's video, I want to talk about the only 2 back exercises you need to improve your pectus excavatum. Now, a lot of people get confused when I say training back improves pectus because they're like, well, pectus is kind of all on the front, so why does back have anything to do with it? But the reason back has something to do with it is training back helps make your posture better. So a lot of people with pectus have tight pecs, and also just modern sedentary humans. A lot of people are just like really kyphotic, so their shoulders are rolled forward, and this in turn makes the pectus condition itself appear deeper. And so to help make better posture, so upright posture, shoulders back, more habitual, we want to strengthen our back muscles. And I think these are the 2 best back exercises for doing that. And primarily the reason they're so good is because we're hitting the traps, which relate a lot to posture, the mid upper traps, and the rear delts, okay? It's the rear delt, strengthening the rear delts that helps so much with pectus, okay? And so the exercises are a reverse cable fly and a face pull. So why these exercises are so good is because, as I said before, they're targeting the muscles that relate the most to posture, okay? And you can really feel it, like when you're doing these movements, you want to focus on getting those shoulder blades back, really emphasizing that contraction. And afterwards, like, you'll do the exercise, go and do it, and like take it to failure, really challenge yourself, do it with proper form, and then like you'll feel naturally, you just like want to stand like this rather than like this. Whereas if you go and do a chest day, you'll just want to stand like this, okay? And guys, that really makes a difference to your pectus. Even just the way you hold yourself, if you're like, you know, insecure and, you know, about taking off your shirt, just try hold yourself with better posture. It makes a massive difference, and you'll find that habitually holding yourself in that posture when you develop your back and work your back really helps. And it's these movements like a reverse cable fly and a face pull that are amazing for that. And I hope you found this helpful. Thanks guys, peace.